Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday morning, and I got the day off work because I had an appointment to get our car registered and our tags changed. However, I chose the wrong place to do that. The appointment I had was only for driver's license only and not for car stuff, so I got my driver's license changed while I was there, and my car registration is set for next week. So, since I have my driver's license now, it'll come in the mail in a couple weeks, but I have a temporary, I'm going to go into the library and get my library card, finally! I tried that in my last video when I did the library tour. I'm going to walk in for the second time, get my library card, and kind of see if they've opened up anything. Last time they had the deck closed, they had the chairs all locked up, nowhere to sit. So, let's go take a look. Hey guys, I got my library card. Making sure I was holding that upside down. Pikes Peak Library District. I already checked out a movie. I was going to check out a book, but I have quite a few that I need to read. So, I checked out Widows with Liam Neeson in it. I've seen this movie already, but my friend Jennifer, hello, has not seen it yet, so we're going to plan another movie night. We had a movie night together last night. We watched The Lorax and Bohemian Rhapsody. So next time, we'll watch Widows and something else, probably her pick. Anyway, I got my library card and I'm really happy.
We have snow. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. It is officially winter here in Colorado. Heading out to Plasma. I'm gonna drive as safely as I can without slipping off the road. And then I think I might go pick up Talyah. Say a prayer for me because there's already ice on the ground. Look at that. Yeah, I just did that with the door open and there's snow in the car now. You see this? But my hair is actually freezing because it's wet. Hey y'all, I just got out of Plasma. It's 2:45 now. I got there at 12. It's been a ridiculous afternoon. There's a huge promotion going on right now. I think if you donate on your second donation, it's a $90 payout. So everyone and their mother has been waiting in line to take care of their plasma stuff. So I'm gonna go try and get Talyah and warm up because I'm freezing my butt off and it's snowing right now. So I'm gonna try and get to her as quick as I can, and then we can try to get home and maybe do something hot for dinner. As promised, I picked up Talyah.
Hello.
Now she's here.
Eyes on the road because it's snowing.
Yeah, like, the contrast on the road is ridiculous. You can't really see the lines. It's just all white powder or just a sheet of ice, so.
I have some exciting news.
What's your exciting news?
We are dressing up for Halloween for the first time ever. It'll be my first time ever. Have you dressed up before?
Yeah, I've been a kid before.
Jerk.
I haven't dressed up in a long, long time though.
Have you dressed up as an adult?
I have. I did. I was a biker.
Oh, that's right.
A long time ago.
That one photo.
It was like 10 years ago. I should email her or text her, tell her I'm dressing up. She'd be so proud.
Anyway, I'm going as Nymphadora Tonks from Harry Potter.
And I'm gonna attempt Draco Malfoy as best I can.
Yay. You gonna let your inner jerk out?
It's always out. But
I'm excited. I got most of my outfit. Ooh, there's a person on the side of the road in the snow. I got most of my outfit at Goodwill last night with Jennifer. And that was exciting. I just need a couple things from Spencer's. And otherwise, it's ready.
so we may or may not go today. We might wait for this weather to die down.
I might want to go.
Yeah, I know you want to go. But we're gonna go drop off some bananas.
That I accidentally swiped from Jennifer last night. Her stuff got mixed with some of my stuff, and I kept her bananas, and she's trying to make banana bread. So we have a delivery to make.
So we'll do that. And I'm not sure what the rest of the evening's gonna hold, but we're gonna have some fun.
Woo woo!
It's October.
Woo woo! I told you it would snow in October.
It's stupid.
Granted, it snowed in September a little bit, but this is actually...
It's cold.
This is the start of our winter. But it's not... I didn't feel like it was bitter cold.
It's not.
It's 16 degrees. Parking.
Before anybody answers, let me just say that I'm looking for the country where we had this experience.
Oh,
so
this
we're
is
I think in the voiceover I said something about like the flexibility of van life. Like when we're traveling internationally, we always have like a flight booked, or well, not always, but a lot of times we have our next flight or our next hotel or Airbnb or train. With the van, we rarely know where we're sleeping 2 nights in a row. And so like we can literally wake up that morning and go, do we want to stay here? Do we want to keep going?
What time is it?
5:40.
It's
Right
too.
when I said I want to leave the house.
It's too early.
Or
Anything.
it's snowing. How was it going to work? I was like a snow angel.
Yeah, no, but just go.
Do you have the keys?
I do.
Uh-oh. We don't own an ice scraper.
Not yet.
You should fix that.
It's 8 degrees outside and nothing is really
Flurrying.
nothing is really moving off of our windshield, which we're driving as safely as we can, but it's still sketchy. Heading to work. Hopefully there's...
Freezing our fingers off.
Yeah, my fingers are finally now defrosting after 20 minutes of sitting in heat.
Excuse me.
But we're gonna get there safely. We're gonna survive this